Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll discuss the best 3D printer for architects. This 3D printer is especially for users that are involved in architecture and engineering, making it the perfect selection for any architect looking to prototype or create 3D models. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's crucial to choose the right one. To help you out, we've rounded up the best 3D printers for architects today. The output from these printers is exceptionally accurate, allowing for precise and detailed models. Plus, the user-friendly design makes them easy to use and maintain. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is MakerBot Replicator Desktop 3D Printer. As an architect, you need to be able to bring your designs to life with accuracy, speed, and reliability. That's where the MakerBot Replicator Desktop 3D Printer comes in. It's the number 1 choice for architects who demand the best. Its lightning-fast printing speed and large build volume set the MakerBot Replicator Plus apart from other 3D printers. It prints high-quality concept models 30% faster than its predecessor with a 25% larger build volume. Plus, it comes with a factory-leveled build plate and a new grip surface that reduces warping and curling. The MakerBot Smart Extruder Plus is a game-changer too. It results from product design, technology, and over 160,000 hours of rigorous testing. The Smart Extruder Plus delivers dependable, consistent performance with superior results using MakerBot PLA, polylactic acid, material. To make 3D printing even easier and more accessible, the MakerBot Replicator Plus features a suite of intelligent technology. It has an LCD, an onboard camera, USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connections. It's also cloud-enabled to control and monitor your printer from anywhere. So if you buy the fabulous 3D printer, check the link in the description box.